At least 50,000 people then out on the streets to take part in a protest by Turkey's main opposition CHP party. They packed that square in Ankara yesterday in a show of defiance on the eve today of that key court hearing that could have ousted the party's leadership. And as I said at the top of the hour, we've heard in the last few moments, in fact, that the case has been postponed now until next month. But the hearing seeks to overturn the results of a CHP Congress, which happened nearly 2 years ago, alleging vote rigging. The Congress elected Özgür Özel as leader. He told the crowd to stand against what he called the judicial coup. Well, we're going to cross then to that court in Ankara, speak to our correspondent Jasper Mortimer, who's just come out of the court, in fact. Jasper, the hearing postponed, but tell us why then it's just so significant.
Well, 2 years ago, the government won both the presidential and parliamentary elections for the fifth time in a row. Later that year, November 2023, the opposition elected a new leader, Özgür Özel. Now, the faction that supports the old leader, Kemal Kılıçdaroğlu, told this court behind me that the party elections in that Congress were illegitimate because there was vote buying, bribery, and the rest of it. Now, the Özgür Özel faction denies these allegations absolutely. However, there is an undertone to this division within the party. The new leader, Özgür Özel, is very successful. He led the party for the first time last year in the local elections, and the party won more votes nationwide than the government for the first time in 20 years. So the opposition accuses the government of quietly supporting this process, of trying to restore the old, unsuccessful leader to the leadership of the opposition party.
So, Jasper, what happened then in the court today? What was the response from the opposition lawyers?
Well, as you said, the court postponed its decision until October the 24th. Talking to the opposition lawyer after the case, he said the opposition's party position is that the party should sort out its election problems internally, and it is going to do this by holding a new Congress with a new party elections on Sunday. So he said the party, this postponement suits us very well. In addition, he does see the hand of government in this case by the prosecution's continuous postponements stringing the case along.